So today we're going to make a balsamic chicken recipe. So we're going to use the Adlington chicken breasts already come prepared. The reasons we're going to use this is, for me, I really care where my chicken comes from and that the chicken's had a happy life and that it's as free range as possible. And I have a selection of local seasonal vegetables here that I picked from a local farm shop this morning to accompany it. So I'm going to put the chicken in here. So do you want to cut the mushrooms up? Because you're good at cutting mushrooms, aren't you? Do you remember how to use a knife? So that's it. Mind your fingers. Can you cut it into slices? Right then, Jake, do you want to chop up the courgette into slices for me? A little bit of oil on here. That's it, dear, slowly. So the salt that I've used today is Droitwich salt, and I've got a combination of the white salt and the charcoal salt, which has a really nice flavour, just to season the chicken breasts. So I've got the Just Oil apple and balsamic. So it's a mixture of the balsamic and the olive oil. I'm going to put this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes and then I'll bring it out and grate some cheese on the top. We're going to make some fruit crumble.
Yeah, fruit crumble.
Fruit crumble. Now, the strawberries and the raspberries are from Coombe Hill Farm Shop, so we can make some crumbles and freeze them for the winter. So do you know how to make the crumble?
No.
So we need flour, sugar, butter. And we have some SimplySeedz oat porridge, which is apple and cinnamon with some seeds in, so it gives it a nice crunchy texture on the top. So you get all the butter, the sugar and the flour, it kind of mixes together, and then just do that with your fingers and it just sort of breaks it into the crumbs. Right, do you want to put the strawberries in? There we go. Now what have we got in this one?
Raspberry.
So we'll just give it a little mix them all together. There we go. Okay, so now you can help this, Carla. You just have to get some in your hand and just sprinkle it over the top.
Sprinkle.
That's it.
Sprinkle.
And it can make sure it's all covered.
It looks so yummy.
There we are, well done. Now we've just got some porridge oats here. I'm just going to sprinkle a few over the top like this. So this is a really quick and easy fruit crumble, and then served with some ice cream.